So today we're gonna be exploring this creek. We were trying to go through the creek, but there's too much water in it. So we're going through these woods, and there's a swing over here that we're gonna go to.
There's like some climbing rock.
Yeah, on a tree. It's pretty cool. Is that the freaking toilet?
What is this? Someone tried to make a fort here.
Yeah. We gotta go into this.
Yo.
This is creepy.
What is this?
Is that a pocket knife? All right, let's get moving.
Don't know what it is. What is this?
This is a crazy place to be at right now.
It's a dog toilet.
That's sketch.
Ah! He's pulling his dog.
Yep, for real.
Are you sure you have to do that?
Yeah. Isn't it that right over there?
I think so.
Ooh, this is a bunch of poison ivy.
We'll be alright.
Anything for this channel. All right, we made it.